Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm quickly show you how to create navigation in React Native. Navigation is um, help you to navigate from one page to another page. It manages the flow of your app, and you need to use it a lot when you develop the application. So let's get started. First of all, you need to import the library React Native and the stack under React Navigation. And then you can create a stack by declare stack equal create stack navigator, and you can create a function myStack here. MyStack contain using stack navigation library, and the stack contain a screen, for screen, home screen, notification screen, profile screen, and setting screen. So with each screen, you can set anything on the screen. Example, I set the home screen includes one view and one button. And when you go to the button, you click on press. It's going to navigate to the profile screen. On the profile screen, I got one view, two buttons. The first button is when you click on that. It's going to go to the navigation screen, and the second button with title go back. When you click on press, it's going to navigate back to the previous screen. Similar to the notification screen, you got two buttons. First button you go to settings screen, and another button you go back. The settings screen you got one view and one button, and one button is only got the title one go back, and when you on press the button it navigate back to the previous screen. So in here we got two commands. One is you navigate to the exactly the screen name, and another one is you can navigate to the previous screen by the navigation.goback command function. Okay, so you can see my site here got four screen, and the function is default function app is you return the navigation container and my stack. Navigation container is from the library you inherit here. So you can see on my application I got four screen on the same files, but actually you can detect it in here with a different screen here. For example, home activity, or you can got profile activity here, and in your application you need to import it, similar thing like that, and then after that you use that. um, but anyway, uh, let's see how it works. So here my notification screen, for example here my home screen. So home screen, you see on the code, when you press the button go to profile, it's going to navigate to profile screen. So let's click on. Okay, so the profile screen we got two buttons. One is go to notification button and go back button. If you click on go to notification button, it's going to go to the notification screen, and when you go to click on go back, it's going to come back to the previous screen. That means the home screen. Yeah, and if you click to go to notification, it go to notification screen. And if you click the continue to click go to setting, it's going to go to setting screen. And on the go to settings screen, only one button, and you click on press. It calls the navigation go back function and go back to previous screen. That's it for today. It's very simple and important for all application to, uh, you need to be able to navigate from one screen to another screen. Um, so that's it for today, and thank you for watching. I see you on the next video about the calling the API. So you can retrieve the data from um, by calling API, and you can display it on your application. Thank you. Bye.